Hi everyone. So we've been getting asked about what kind of safety options we have available for, when you have a dangerous piece of equipment that's near one of your flexible connections. So one of the benefits of the BFM flexible connector system, our standard connectors, is that they're very easy to remove. You can take them in and out with ease. But that poses some risks when you have a dangerous piece of equipment like a rotary valve or a screw auger or something like that you could get your hands caught in and injure yourself. So we have a number of different options available to help prevent any injuries and just make them a bit safer in those areas. One of those is our tool release connectors. So all of our tool release connectors come with this white dot on the front to clearly identify that it is a tool release connector. And these are made with a much stronger snap band in them, so they're a lot harder to remove by hand. So once the tool release connector is fitted, you can't push it out with your thumb, you can't remove it without some significant force. So the way that we do get these out is we use a tool release tool like this. So this tool release is our standard tool release, and essentially a 6mm hole is drilled in the top lip of the spigot. Our customers can do that, our distributors can do that, or we can supply the spigots with that pre-drilled into the spigot for you. And what you do with that tool is you put it into the hole, you push in, and that will remove the connector. We also offer what we call our smiley face release tool. So the benefit of this is that it has a specially designed profile that doesn't match any kind of tools or equipment that you might have in your toolbox. So you can't go in and find something makeshift to put in the hole. You have to use this specific tool. And that gives supervisors and managers a little bit of extra control, just in regards to these pieces of equipment, that they can keep the key to access the connector away, locked away, unless somebody really needs to access it. We can also supply our spigots with the smiley face pre-punched into it, or our distributors can help arrange that for you. We also offer what is called a pneumatic monitoring system. So with a pneumatic monitoring system, we have a weld lug, and that attaches onto the spigot, and this piece is screwed in, and a small supply of air is delivered at a low pressure. And what that does is it forms a bubble around the outside of the connector in the seal ridge. And when you take the connector in and out, it will create a pressure differential inside the pressure switch, and you can use that switching action to control either the piece of equipment to turn it off in an emergency stop, or to alert the control room to say somebody's removed this connector or not put it in correctly. And that just adds another extra factor of safety for when you're operating around these dangerous pieces of equipment.